blessing our children. Can you stand with me and give the Lord a round of applause? Give him a praise for our wonderful, brave, brilliant children. We love them with all our heart. Indeed, God is love. Love is a verb. Show it. And we all know what a verb is. A verb is an action word. So we're not only going to talk about love today, we are going to show love. So everything on
in the fruit of the womb is his reward. Let me read it again. Lo, children are an heritage from God, and the fruit of the womb is his reward. Thy wife shall be as a fruitful vine by the sides of thine house, thy children like olive plant round about thy table. We bless the Lord. The book of Isaiah we read has something there for us. Behold, the Lord God will come with a strong hand, and his arms shall rule for him. Behold, his reward is with him, and his work before him. Verse 11, he shall feed his flock. Her mother and grandmother and the rest of the family proud, very proud, knowing that she had received from you these kind of blessings. Hallelujah. When she go to her school, Lord, I pray that you will bless her tremendously over every other child. That she will teach them the way of the Lord.
And though it seems be your idea, it won't make sense to everybody. You need courage now if you're going to persevere. To fulfill divine purpose, you've got to answer when you're called. So don't be afraid to face the world against odds. Keep your dream alive, don't let it die. If something deep inside keeps inspiring you to try, don't stop and never give up. Don't ever give up on you. Don't give up. Every victory comes in time. Work today to change tomorrow. It gets easier. Who's to say that you can't lie? Every step you take, you get closer to your destination. You can feel it now. Don't you know you're almost there? To fulfill divine's purpose, you gotta answer when you're called. So don't be afraid to face the world against odds. Keep your dream alive, don't let it die. If something deep inside keeps inspiring you to try, don't stop and never give up. Don't ever give up on you. Sometimes life can place a stumbling and never give up. Don't ever give